Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. I'm here to tell you about this lovely 2015 Q50 Premium that we just acquired off lease. Local one owner clean Carfax. Really nice color combination and white on black leatherette. Very well equipped with features. The Q50 is a luxury automobile and a performance automobile as well. Beautiful aluminum trim. We have a drive mode selector here that makes changes to the transmission shift points, throttle sensitivity, changes to the traction and stability control system for the type of driving that you're doing or the type of driving that you want to do. You can even personalize it as well. The top screen is for the backup camera and the clock. The bottom screen is a tablet-like interface for vehicle settings and apps. Heated seats, power front seats, great sounding Bose audio system. A lot of fantastic Infiniti apps and features. Great sounding audio system, and it has HD radio, so you have extra stations that are near CD quality. This one only has 25,619 miles at the time of making this video. Pretty low mileage for 2015. Most people do about 10, 12, 15,000 miles a year. The steering wheel tilts and telescopes. It's leather wrapped. Feels very nice in your hands. White is just such an easy color to take care of. I prefer white myself as a car industry veteran. I own 2 white cars, so I definitely put the money where my mouth is. Obviously colors like black are nice too, but surface imperfections, scratches, that stuff kind of seems to be glaringly obvious on a black car, especially in direct sunlight where it's the opposite of white. The Q50 is built on the advanced front midship platform. Also shares that platform with the Q60 Coupe and the Nissan 370Z sports car. The reason why they call it the advanced front midship platform is because they place the engine as far behind the front axle as possible, so the center of gravity is right in the middle of the vehicle, so it has near perfect 50-50 weight distribution. That really helps it rotate through corners, improves the handling and feel of the vehicle. And the heart of the Q50 is the award-winning VQ37 engine. Makes nearly 330 horsepower. You have a great traction and stability control system to help put power to the ground in the most efficient manner. Maintenance-free timing chain, so you never need to worry about the cost of replacement of timing belts. Those timing chains are designed to last the service life of the engine about 300,000 miles. And we do see Infinitis coming in on trade or coming in for service with these engines with 200,000 and 300,000 miles still running strong. Really is a gorgeous design. Infiniti was not trying to copy anyone else when they developed the lines of the Q50. It's a beautiful automobile. This one also features a lifetime warranty on the powertrain. That's something extra we do here at Infiniti of Tacoma on select pre-owned Infinitis and all our new Infinitis. And it also comes with a 5-day 100% money back guarantee. We want to make sure that you're happy with the vehicle you buy from us, be it new or used. If you're not, you can bring it back for a full refund, no gimmicks, no restocking fees. It is 100% money back. We always have a great selection of Q50s in stock. Come in, take a look at this one, or take a look at all of them, take them out for a spin. I'm sure we'll have one that you'll absolutely love, and who better to buy a pre-owned Infiniti from than a new Infiniti store like us, especially with our lifetime warranty and our 5-day money-back guarantee. Thanks for looking at this video today, and hopefully we'll see you in our store very soon. Take care.